Geneinno T1 is a standout choice on the 2025 market. This premium drone can dive up to an impressive 1,312 feet and easily stay submerged for 4 hours on a single charge. With an HD camera and powerful lights, exploring the ocean's depths becomes an exciting adventure. The Geneinno T1 is equipped with two 1,500 lumen front lights, making it ideal for professional explorers who need clear visibility in dark waters. The drone boasts a top-tier 4K camera and a wide 160-degree field of view and a 120-degree tilt, perfect for capturing extraordinary underwater footage. With 6 thrusters, it navigates smoothly through challenging marine environments. The T1 comes with multiple accessories, including FPV goggles, a robotic arm, a sonar system, and a waterproof microphone. Durability is a key feature of the Titan, as it can withstand more than the occasional bump. Photographers will appreciate the ability to use camera filters, enhancing image quality. The Titan is battery-powered and allows for precise navigation with its tilt-lock mode, offering 60-degree angle adjustments. This makes the device easy to maneuver around obstacles and track marine life for unique shots. Designed with both functionality and ease of use in mind, the Titan is lightweight and compact, fitting easily into a backpack. The intuitive remote control simplifies navigation, allowing you to dive, maintain depth, and just move around with maximum ease. The Geneinno T1 is perfect for tech enthusiasts and adventure lovers who want to capture and share their underwater experiences. This versatile drone combines simplicity with power, making it a must-have for premium underwater exploration. If you can treat yourself to this beast, we say go for it. Just a quick note, if you're interested in any of the products, I've gone ahead and updated the description below with links to get you the best deals available right now. So make sure to check those out for the most current prices and offers.